Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 25th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant move for the crypto community, the Pennsylvania House of Representatives has passed the Bitcoin Rights Bill, House Bill 2481, with a resounding vote of 176 to 26. This bipartisan legislation aims to provide regulatory clarity for digital assets, especially Bitcoin, by protecting residents' rights to self-custody, allowing Bitcoin for payments, and setting guidelines for taxing transactions. With support from both Democrats and Republicans, the bill now heads to the Republican-led Senate, and if approved, will reach Governor Josh Shapiro's desk. The Satoshi Action Fund played a crucial role in crafting this bill, reflecting a growing trend among states to establish clear crypto regulations amid federal uncertainty. Microsoft is advising its shareholders to vote against a proposal to invest in Bitcoin at its upcoming annual meeting. This recommendation follows a recent SEC filing and raises questions about whether Microsoft might add Bitcoin to its balance sheet. While the tech giant accepts Bitcoin for online purchases, it has yet to make significant investments in the cryptocurrency. If Microsoft were to invest, it would join companies like MicroStrategy, which holds over 252,000 Bitcoin. Despite the success of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, Microsoft remains cautious, as indicated by the board's recommendation. Kraken, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, is launching its own Layer 2 network, Inc., on the Ethereum blockchain using Optimism's technology. Set to debut in early 2025, Inc. follows the successful launch of Coinbase's Base network. By adopting Optimism's OP stack, Kraken aims to enhance the developer ecosystem for decentralized finance applications. This move underscores the competitive and innovative landscape of Layer 2 solutions, with Optimism's technology gaining traction among major firms like Sony and Uniswap. Pulse is set to revolutionize the health data market with its new open health network and wearable technology. As the market is projected to grow significantly, Pulse offers a user-owned network where individuals control access to their encrypted health data and receive compensation. The Pulse ecosystem includes a consumer app and wearable device providing AI-driven insights on health and productivity. Backed by experienced industry professionals and angel investors, Pulse aims to turn health data into a valuable asset for users, leveraging blockchain technology to enhance personal and professional performance. A recent research meeting delved into the intriguing world of Memecoins, sparking a debate on their role as cultural artifacts or digital memes. Some view Memecoins as a global casino, while others liken them to the first successful crypto-native on-chain video game. This analogy highlights the interactive nature of Memecoins, where players aim to maximize their portfolio balance amidst asset volatility and social influence. Despite their speculative nature, Memecoins are seen more as an entertaining game within the crypto space, rather than a serious investment opportunity. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.